In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to study. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually really simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it regardless of whatever stage of studying you're in, whether you're in high school or college, anything like that. You could go ahead and use it because it is really smart. So, for example, I could just do something like, can you help me brainstorm or something for my geography test? Right? Just as an example. And then it's just going to basically ask me a few questions that I'm going to have to give it. But as you can see, I can obviously just be a lot more specific. It's giving me a very broad thing that I could go ahead and do right now. I could also, it's also asking if I can tell it what exam board it is, what topics it is, or what style it is as well. So what you can also do is if you're making like, let's say an essay or something, I can copy and paste the essay into ChatGPT and just ask it for notes. Ask it if I can improve anything or what it thinks. It's going to give you direct feedback. And then I can also say, give me feedback as a teacher to the essay or whatever you're making. And then basically it's going to give you the best results possible, but just be as specific as possible. For example, if you're someone who's maybe in the UK and maybe you're in year 10 in school, so you want to say, I just done this homework, so please give me feedback as a year 10 teacher for this exam board, for this subject, and yada yada. And if you give them what you made along with what you were meant to answer, it's going to give you the best results possible. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.